The white-fronted Amazon. Amazon albifrons, also known as the white-fronted parrot or spectacle Amazon parrot, is a Central American species of parrot. They can imitate a range from 30 to 40 different sounds. Like other large parrots, the white-fronted parrot has a long potential lifespan, usually around 40 years. The white-fronted Amazon. At about 25 centimeters, 9.8 in long, is the smallest of the Amazon parrots. This species is named for the bright white patch of feathers on its forehead. Although the amount of white varies from individual to individual, they have mostly green plumage with some blue coloring on their outspread wings. They have bright red coloring around their eyes, in some individuals almost like spectacles, and blue coloring behind the patch of white on their foreheads. Together with the red spectacle Amazon and the yellow lord Amazon, it is the only Amazon species in which adult males and females easily can be distinguished by external appearance. Sexual dimorphism. Males have bright red feathers on their shoulders. While females have green shoulders. Juveniles have pale gray irises and less red on their face, and the white area is replaced with a smaller yellowish area. The white-fronted Amazon is native to Central America and Mexico, and is most often seen in small flocks of up to 20 birds. They are seen in a variety of different habitats, from wet regions such as rainforest to drier areas such as cactus savannas. In the wild, they are not shy, and people are often able to approach them. Flocks may congregate, and people have seen groups that number into the hundreds. These groups may also contain flocks from other species, such as the red lord Amazon. A population has been seen in southern Texas, probably escapees, and a small feral population has been observed living in southern California. Introduced breeding populations have also been reported in Puerto Rico.